All right, guys, let me show you something real quick. Do you know why the boom and crash market is the simplest market to trade in? I know some people feel like the boom and crash market is really volatile. The synthetic indices markets generally, people think they are very volatile and complicated, so people get to run away from it. But this is why the market is the simplest and the easiest to trade. I'm going to explain why. The reason is that this market is not attached to any underlying assets. You know how the NASDAQ is attached to Tesla and all those other over 100 other assets, right? This boom and crash market is completely based on algorithm, right? That means several patterns will repeat itself because that is how it is programmed to work, right? A lot of patterns will repeat itself. So how do you utilize this information, right? You simply practice and understand how it works, understand how the market works, which is what I teach my students in the mentorship class. We just started off yesterday. Yesterday was the orientation session where we talked about, where we just got to meet each other and just got to know more about ourselves and our strengths and our weaknesses, so that we know exactly how to focus on building the next group of badass traders. All right, now this video is going to show you a very simple method to make money off the boom and crash. It might not be sustainable, but if you are part of our mentorship class, you will be able to understand price action trading, which is simple to use when you are trading the boom and crash market. Why is it simple? Because it cannot be manipulated. This market cannot be manipulated by news and those other factors that are associated with all those other financial assets that people trade and have issues trading, because have issues trading using technical analysis because of the impact of news and everything. So this is me telling you guys that you all should learn how to do without indicators. You all should learn to do with price action trading, which works perfectly on every synthetic indices market. You will learn how to use this indicator-based strategy to make money off this market. Like I said, it might not be sustainable, but you will make quick money enough for you to enroll in mentorships. Please learn to use your money wisely when you make money off using these indicator strategies. Ensure to pay somebody to teach you how to do it without these indicators, because yes, like I said, the synthetic indices strategy works perfectly on price action trading concept, right? The synthetic market respects trends a lot. It respects trends a lot. Whatever you want to trade on, as long as it is a synthetic indices market, news will not impact it, so you don't have to worry about that. And they respect trends a lot because this is how they are designed to move. All right, they have 3 directions which they move: upwards, downwards, and sideways, just like every other financial market. But this synthetic indices market respects trends a lot because there is no external news or external factor that would change the direction of the market. All right, it's just you having to understand how the market works and then taking advantage of that. Why you should do this is because you have it at the back of your mind that the synthetic market news does not affect the synthetic markets. All right, so your technical analysis applies in every ramification. All right, so this video is going to show you how to use simple indicator setups to trade the boom and crash market. Yeah, just to scalp, take some profits out, and try again. Make sure you see similar setups again and again. Make some money and take it out before you know it. or before the market realizes you are already out, and then build up your gains. All right, to learn, to pay for mentorship, guys. Trust me, this is not even about paying for my mentorship program. You could learn from anybody else. It doesn't have to be me, right? Make sure you pay somebody who is willing to learn, who is knowledgeable enough to teach you. Who is willing to teach, not willing to learn. Sorry about that. Willing to teach you, knowledgeable enough to teach you, and also passionate enough to teach. Because it's one thing for someone to actually have the knowledge. It's another thing for the person to be able to impact this knowledge on somebody else, right? So if you have somebody, learn from them, pay them to learn from them, right? Don't try to get free value or free information. Don't try to learn for free. Don't try to get knowledge for free. Pay for it, guys. Trust me, you will not regret it. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to actually make money off these indicator based strategies if you don't have the price action knowledge. Okay, you can actually depend on this to make money. Like I said, it might not be sustainable, but you will definitely make money using this strategy. So I'll quickly show you guys the setup. The relative strength index will be used, BS power will be used, moving average will be on the main chart. All right, so let's start with the moving average. Let's add the moving average to our main window. Period 20, shift 1, method exponential, applied to close. Levels are not needed. Time frame is all time frames, of course. And for styling, I'm using the red color, so you can decide to use the red color. All right, now your pixel, can decide to use the second one or the third one, whatever makes sense to you. Use that. You click done and you have it appear on your charts. That's it. We have it on our charts, on our main charts. And then we go ahead to add the relative strength index. Period of 3, apply to close. Levels 10 and 90. Visualization, all time frames. For styling, I'm using black color this time, and I'm using 3 pixel. You can replicate same. All right, so click done when you're done with that, and you have your level 90 and level 10 of the RSI indicators on your indicator window. And then next one would be the BS power. Now this is a solid setup, a solid strategy that I have practiced, I have back tested and had good results from. I believe it's going to help you take money out of the market. Period of 9, levels are not needed. Visualization, all time frames, of course. For styling, you can use whatever color that you please, but make it visible on your charts, right? Make it visible on your charts. If you're using the dark background, make sure your color pops. If you're using the white background, make sure your color pops. All right, you're done with this. I'm using green color for my own. So you're done with this, you just simply click done. Of course, you can decide to shift the pixel to 2 or 3 or whatever you will be cool with. Click done, and you will have your charts looking just like mine. All right, so how do you actually make use of this strategy to catch some candlesticks before a spike comes into play? Right now, look at what happened here. You can see clearly that on our main chart, the bearish candlesticks had crossed the moving average on our main chart. Crosses it and goes below it. That would be my prompt to make a sell. All right, now I won't just rush into sell. I'll make sure to see that the bearish power at level 90, and then the RSI has come to that region, right? I want to see that this black guy and this green guy are at level 90 region, all right? And then they are pulling down from that level, right? They are going downwards from that level. That's what will prompt me to take a sell, having seen a crossing of the moving average on my main chart. Okay, that's very important. You need to ensure that the BS power and the RSI crosses the level 90 on your indicator window. All right, When that happens, you want to see them come, just like what happened here, right? Want to see, sorry, let me zoom in. So I'll show you the zoom level. 1, 2. All right, you can use zoom level 2. Of course, you can equally use zoom level 3. You want to see that the this black lines here, they get to level 90, and then they're sloping downwards. You want to also see that the green guys here at level 90, they've crossed level 90, and then they're sloping downwards. And then for me, I would like to wait for price to cross the moving average on my main chart. I would take my sell around this region, and then my SL will just be above the moving average line. I will just give space and make it be above the moving average section, right? The moving average line. And then I will take a sell below it. Once 2 candlesticks closes below the moving average line, I'll take my sell. This is for the bull market though. All right, I'll take my sell and I'll take 5 to 10 candlesticks out of the market, and I'm good. All right, now remember, this strategy is not sustainable. It's not something that you should depend on for long-term results. So that's why you need to learn price action. But then again, you could make a lot of money using this strategy. So make sure you engage in, make sure you practice it, make sure you try it on your demos, make sure it works for you, and then you get to apply it to your real account. And make sure to bring good reviews if you have made profits from it. Make sure to post good reviews on the comment section, and make sure to also join the free Telegram group and share your good results with me. My WhatsApp number would be in the description section of this video, so you could always reach out to me for whatever. Ensure to join our mentorship program. We just got started, and also join the VIP group. It is very affordable. You will be happy you did. I'll see you guys in the next video.